What if AI is the secret mechanic behind every booming automotive shop in Gilbert, Arizona? Imagine driving past a repair shop. Now picture AI working 24/7, analyzing customer trends and predicting vehicle needs before the engine even cools. Sounds like sci-fi. It's happening now with America's Best Shops marketing agency. They don't just market. They turbocharge your business with AI-powered strategies that read shopper minds. Picture AI crafting perfect ads while you focus on fixing cars. Here's the twist. Low budgets no longer mean low impact. AI targets exactly who needs your services, making every dollar count. Emotional hook, Gilbert's local heroes, small shops, are becoming giants overnight thanks to these invisible tech gears. Behind each successful repair, an AI-driven strategy whispers, sell smarter, grow faster. It's not just marketing, it's a revolution under the hood. So, what's stopping your shop from hitting the fast lane? Are you ready to let AI drive your business into the future, or will you be left stuck in traffic? Think about it. Turn your ignition on. The AI marketing road is open for Gilbert's Auto Pros. Will you take the wheel?